Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to do bulk payment to any Chinese supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app without wasting much of your time. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or IB or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, or Alipay, or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China in 1688 Chinese shopping app. With that being said, let's get started. Making payments on 1688 Chinese shopping app is as simple and easy as you might think. And in this video, I will show you how to make a bulk payment to supplier without wasting your time right here in this video. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Right, so there are so many ways by which you can use to source for products from different supplier on 1688. One of the first way is to simply scroll down. The more you scroll down right here, the more the product is going to load up from different supplier. However, you can also come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for. Let's say you are looking for bags right here. Type in, just simply come to the top right here and type in bags, and then hit on search. And in a few seconds, you are going to see similar results of different types of bags from different supplier in China. Or better still, you can click on this camera icon right here, upload the product picture sample. This allows you to check more relevant on similar product of a particular product. And this is another way to source for product on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Okay, after you are able to source for product from 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to add the product to cart. So to make this video short and straight to the point, I have already had a product to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my cart right here, and for you to visit your cart, click on here. And all the product here in my cart is exactly what I'm going to make payment for. So I'm going to simply pay for this particular. So right here, you have all the products right here. So I'm going to select them one after the other. I'm paying for this product right here. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. And I'm paying for this. So you can pay for as many as possible products as the case may be. Okay. Then I'm paying for this. So having select all the products I'm paying for, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, you need to check the review of everything before you proceed to payment. So just scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see all the products you have in your cart at a checkout right here, and your payment detail. Okay. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to payments. So right here, you have different means of payment right here. The first one here is Alipay. The second one here is USD, whether Visa or MasterCard, which allow you to pay if you don't have Alipay. As you can see right here, if you don't have Alipay, you can opt into this second means of payment right here. But in this video, I'm going to use my Alipay to make a payment. And so by default, my Alipay is checked. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then right here, I need to enter my payment password. So payment done successful. I was able to pay for 5 different suppliers with my Alipay right here at a sum of 77.05 yen. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this plus sign right here to close that. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the products we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Just like what you see right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th supplier right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to do bulk payment without wasting your time on 1688 Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, or Alipay, or Alipay to Alipay transfer, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.